The host has started broadcasting the meeting on.
Welcome to Renuka Academy for Disabled YouTube channel, and welcome to everyone once again here. I hope you're all watching my channel. Thank you, viewers, and thank you who are all joined my uh, Zoom.
Visited link. Visited link.
So here I posted.
Seek pause left there space.
Welcome to Renuka Academy for Disabled YouTube
Pause left there space. Lane left there.
channel, and I think as you already aware of it, what I am doing and what I have done earlier, I have started one platform called Renuka Academy for Disabled. This is especially personal and professional computer class, which I have started earlier in the last month, March. Last year, month of March around 2020, I have started this platform. But now it's coming month, March 23rd. I'm going to complete 1 year. So with your all support, and many people are supported me a lot, even though social media and Access India, Highway, there are multiple platforms like in Karnataka groups also who have supported a lot. And I'm very happy to welcome you all once again, because people are joined throughout the country, across the country. I think people are joined from AP, people are joined from Telangana, people are joined from Karnataka, people who are joined from Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, and Tamil Nadu, Bengal. There are many people. I think you are already my people are knows my name here. So my name is Rangaswamy. I'm basically from Karnataka, from Bangalore. So today I'm starting a fifth event throughout the technology, but without the technology also I have done so many workshops already I've conducted. Still now I'm conducting it. Last week I had a personality development training with Mr. Kalyan, who is a corporate trainer of all the IT sectors and different sectors. So he comes with us, and monthly once he will do the personality development training also, and the weekly ones I am doing basic users, those who don't know anything about Excel, those who don't know anything about Microsoft Code. I want people to know about it, something very important, and how we can use Excel, how we can use Microsoft Word. These are the many things I'm already doing right away. So today our speaker and most expert and my colleague and my friend, Mr. Shivaji from Hyderabad. He works in Canara Bank. He works as a professional officer, PO in Canara Bank. Welcome, Shivaji sir. So you are the main speaker today. So thank you for you once again. Thank you for you are supporting me a lot in this occasion, and welcome sir. Welcome you. I hardly welcome you once again.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Yes, I welcome you people once again. So today our Shivaji sir will be going to head this session, and he trained around 300 to 400 visually impaired across the India. He has a work experience around 5 years, our entire community. And also he did so many trainings, not only basic computer, he trained Python, Java, C++, and basic HTML. So and one thing is, he will do all those kind of things, and all he can develop himself, website also he developed. So thank you so much, sir. Once again, you are the most expert than me, and welcome you. So this is about Shivaji sir explanation. So right, sir?
Yeah, all right.
So if I tell if I'm wrong, so you can able to say anything about it, more about. So I guess
nothing to tell. So it's thank you very much.
So I over to you. Be all the conversation. So you are the speaker, you are the host, everything you can do it. So I'm only the organizer to yourself. So please, I over to you once again.
Yeah. Hello, friends. Anyway, good evening, and I'm Shivaji from Hyderabad. As sir already introduced me to you. So let's start the session now. Am I audible clearly to everybody? Rangaswamy?
Yes, sir. If you are audible, please
right?
raise your hand. Can everybody raise your hand? Can you raise your hand, please? If you're all audible. Yeah.
Lowered. Okay. Someone lowered their hand.
Yeah, I think someone lower their hand. People are not hearing,
Oh,
I
maybe
guess.
they have already raising hands,
Can you
so
raise
they
your
have
hand?
that.
Yes, yes.
All right. I
I think
think
so. Yeah.
everybody are able to hear me. There's no
Yes,
problem.
everybody able to hear. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now, today we are going to see Excel, how we use. Basically, many people find difficulty in using Excel, right? The things for this is the problems are like they will not know much about Excel. They only do some basic calculations and all. They think it is very difficult actually. People, most of the people think it's very difficult. So today I'll tell you some basic things which will make you to learn Excel very easily. So let's begin now. And now Excel is from Microsoft that everybody knows. It's a spreadsheet application where we can do basic calculations or we can manipulate data. If we have large data, we can sort or we can apply filters. Okay, we can find data and we can organize data in a very accessible manner. So that's the thing people use Excel. There's an option like we can use database also for uh, feeding the same data, but the problem is there is some difficulty in using database. It's not that easily understandable. We cannot understand that easily. That's why we use Excel. So it's very easy to understand, and we will be very efficient to operate it. So when we open Excel, the first thing is, if we are using new versions of Excel, we will be presented with the file tab. We also call it as backstage view. Here we see some templates already which are available from Microsoft, and also we can if we just press escape, we can go to new sheet, and also we can see some options which like we can where to save the documents, opening the spreadsheets, all sort of things where we can change applications options, all those things. When we press escape, we'll be presented with the new sheet or new workbook. So we call it as workbook. In workbook we have sheets. Previously there were 3 sheets by default in Excel, but nowadays new versions there will be only one sheet. If we want, we can add additional sheets in the workbook. So now, after the worksheet is open, there are rows and columns. So the rows and columns are formed by cells. When we have cells vertically, we say as column. When we have cells horizontally, we call it as row. From left to right, horizontal means. Then the column will be from top to bottom. So each cell has its own name. There cannot be any duplicate names in Excel sheet. Each cell has a unique name to refer the cell. It starts with A1. Why we say as A1? We can say only one, right? Because when we say only number 1, we don't know which cell it is in a column. Sorry, in a row. Sorry. So that's why in A1, 1 represents the row number and A represents the column name. Okay. So I think this is clear to everybody. Now we can use left and right arrow to move between columns. We can use up and down arrow to move between the rows. When we want to enter the data into cells, what we do is we use tab. Pressing tab will take you to the next cell. For example, if I start entering data from A1, and if I want to move to the next cell to enter data, there's no need to use arrow keys. You can press tab, which will take you to B1. Then you can type the data there. And again, you can press tab, which will take you to C1. You can type the data. And now, when you press enter, the cursor will move directly to the cell A2, because when we type, if we use arrow keys and type, now when we are in C1, it's very easy. We can just press 2 times left arrow
Can you,
and we reach column A.
yeah,
But if
can
it is
you,
a long
yeah,
data where we are in P, Q, R as some cells sort like that, it's very difficult to press arrow key and come, right?
sir, can
So
you
that's why
share, can you show the demo?
this option is available.
Meetings. Zoom. Chat text. The phone
Okay,
tab.
now we
Stage.
have learned how to navigate. So
Outlook.
let's
Extend.
see
Microsoft Excel.
practically
Select
once.
left arrow.
Okay.
Mute button. Microsoft
Yeah.
Excel. Meeting controls. Zoom cloud meetings to move to book one dash Excel. Please wait. Please wait. Book one. Book one dash Excel sheet one blank A1. Alert. You are muted. Press Alt plus. Task switching. Meeting. Unmute. Stop share left. Unmute. Currently muted. Alt plus A. Alt. Mute my audio. Book one dash Excel to move to an item. Press the arrow keys. Please wait. Please wait. Book one. Book one dash Excel sheet one blank A1.
Okay, friends. Now Excel is open. The JAWS. I'm using JAWS here. So we heard
Alert. Campbell has
our screen reader saying book one, sheet one, and A1.
blank A1.
So
Alert.
this
Divya admin has
means
left the meeting.
first we hear the name of the document, then we hear the name of the sheet, then we hear the focused cell name.
Alert. Two people have joined the meeting.
So this way we can understand where we are focusing. Now I'll use right arrow.
Blank B1.
This is B1. So I'm moving in the same row.
Blank C1. Blank B1. Blank E1.
So I already uh, explained in the beginning why there is A, B, C, D. Those are
Alert
column names.
B011170 blank F1. Blank G1.
So I'm in G1. It is column G and row 1. Now if I press down arrow here,
Blank G2.
G2. This is column row 2 and column will be G.
Blank 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 blank.
Okay, now let's enter some data.
Blank A1.
So I'll just enter some numbers here, random numbers.
2. 12. Blank B1. 2. 22. Blank C1. 3. 33. Blank B1. Blank E1. 3. 33. Blank F1. Book 1. Dash
Now
Excel
if
sheet
I
1.
press enter here,
Enter blank A2.
see the cursor has moved to A2. So again I can start entering data directly.
Alert. Divya admin has left.
So this way we can navigate in Excel and enter the data in the sheet. Okay, now when we want to use the functions or options which are available in Excel, what we can do? We use menus, right? The ribbon menus. We say it as ribbon menus now. So to open any ribbon menu, we or any menu, of course,
Alert. Divya admin has
you
joined the meeting.
can press Alt key.
Upper ribbon. Home tab. The switch pages. Press Control plus Tab. Alt followed by H.
So now the menu is opened. So the focus is on Home tab. I can use arrow keys to move to the next tab, and I'll use the right arrow now because Home tab will be the first one.
Insert tab. The switch pages. Press Control plus Tab. Alt followed by N.
This is second one. It's Insert tab.
Page layout tab. The switch pages. Press Control plus
Page
Tab. Alt followed by
layout.
P. Alert. Stream 5 has joined the meeting. Formulas tab. The switch pages. Press Control.
Formulas.
Data tab. The switch pages. Press Control
Data.
plus. Review tab. The switch pages. Press
Review.
Control. View tab. The switch pages. Press
View.
Control plus. Leaving menu bar. Tell me what you want to do. Edit. Type in text. Alt followed by Q. Tell me what you want to do. Edit.
Help box where we can type some questions. If you are not able to understand Excel, then we can get help. So now I will press escape again to close the menu bar
Alert.
and
Himanshu Soreja.
focus on the sheet.
Escape. Menu. Leaving menus. Tell me what you want to do. Tell me what you want to do. Escape. 12. A1. Blank. A2.
So now let's see what options are available in each menu.
Alert. Divya admin has left the meeting. Upper ribbon. View tab. The switch pages. Press Control plus Tab.
The first one is Home tab, right?
Formula tab. Home tab. Leaving menu bar. File. Upper ribbon. Home tab.
So here we have options regarding clipboard, font, adding and removing sheets, moving sheets, conditional formatting, all sort of things, finding and replacing data, all sort of things here. So this way each tab has different options, and there will be groups in each tab. It means each group will have two or more options, maybe one also sometimes, which will enable you to use the option. Like the one group will, if it has 3 or 4 options, that group will represent the same type of task. For example, if the clipboard group, there is options regarding copying, paste, then cut, all sort of things here. Next, if we see font group, we have options regarding increasing and decreasing size of font, changing the font type, bold, italic, all sort of things here.
Alert. Navanitha has left the meeting.
Now
Alert. Navanitha
let's see how to navigate in a tab. So let's move to the Home tab only. We can press tab to check options
Alert.
available in any tab. So I'm pressing tab now.
Home tab. The switch pages. Press Control plus Tab. Control plus V. Lower ribbon. Clipboard group box. Space button to move through the control.
Lower ribbon. The first option is
Paste button to move.
paste button. So I have already told you, when I press tab here, it's a clipboard group box, paste button. So the group will be clipboard, and the option available in the group is paste.
Cut button to move through the
Cut.
format painter button. Not check. Office clipboard. Font group box. Font colon edit combo collapse.
See, font group box.
Font colon edit combo collapse. Delivery.
This is font where we can change. Now, okay, I'm able to navigate to each option by pressing tab,
Alert
right?
from Microsoft.
Instead of this, if I want to just navigate between groups, what should I do? I don't want to go through all the options. Now,
Number group box. Number format edit combo collapse. General.
so I'm in numbering tab now. Sorry, numbering group now. Now from here, I want to go to clipboard group. If I press shift tab to go to previous option, you can use shift tab to go to the previous option. So if I keep pressing shift tab, it will take so much of time. Instead of that, I can just change my group only.
Font. Clipboard group box. Space split button. Press Alt plus down arrow for more options.
See, to change the groups here, we use control left and control right arrow. Control will left arrow will take you to the previous group, and control right arrow will take you to the next group. So in a tab, you can use this. Maybe this will be useful to you. So you can use control plus arrow keys left and right
Alert.
arrow.
Galaxy J7 Prime has left the meeting.
Groups.
Alert. Galaxy J7.
Or else there's one more option. We have access keys. Each menu option will have
Alert.
a
Parrish's iPhone has left the.
letters or numbers assigned to that item. For example, if I want to use some option in home tab, so home tab has a letter H, so I can use alt with followed by H. Means I can just press and hold the alt key, then I can press H. So my focus will be on home tab. If I want to use some option in home tab, if I want to move sheet, there's some letters assigned to that. I can continue pressing O and M, which will take you to moving sheet option.
Alert. Parrish's iPhone has joined the meeting.
Sheet option. So this way, each menu has assigned with some letters. Menu option. Okay, menus or menu options, everything assigned with a letter, so that we can, if you know that access key, we can go to that option very easily and quickly. So these are the ways we can use menus quickly. One, we can use if you want to see all the options and use, then you can use tab and shift tab. You can change with groups with control left and right arrow, and you can also use access keys. Or some options are available with some shortcuts.
Alert. Campbell has joined the meeting.
It means there is no need of going to menu. We can just press that shortcut key and we can enable or disable that option. For example, if I want to bold my text, then I can press Ctrl B. That's all. It will bold the text. Bold on and off will be with the same shortcut key. So there is difference between shortcut key and access key, right? Shortcut keys are used without going to menus, and access keys, those are used from menu only. It means we need to first use the menus access key to which menu you want to go. We can use that, then followed by access key which is regarding to option, menu option. So this way we can use the menu or menu options.
Escape. Leaving menu bar.
Now I would like to ask if anybody have any doubts, please you can raise your doubt, then we can continue.
Microsoft mute button. Microsoft.
Yeah.
Alert.
Galaxy
Galaxy J7 Prime has left the meeting.
Microsoft. It said Microsoft.
So if
Alert. Galaxy J7 Prime has joined the meeting.
anybody raise your hand, so we will unmute you.
Shivaji left there.
Alert. Malini said to everyone. No.
No.
Malini said no. So anyone?
Potential tab word. Computer audio.
Yes, please. Would you like to raise your hand, please? So, yeah, somebody.
Shivaji left.
Two participants.
Microsoft Excel workshop. Shivaji. Cancel. Lower hand button. Ask to the mute button.
Alert.
Cancel tab word. Computer audio muted. Cancel. Lower hand button. Ask to the mute.
Yes, someone has raised the hand, please. Yes,
Lower hand.
I'm unmute you. Yes, sir.
Input search keyword. Cancel tab word. Shivaji left there. Cancel. Cancel. Lower hand button. Input search enter. Participants. Input search. Cancel. Lower hand button. Ask to the
Yes.
cancel tab word.
Lower
Lower hand. Ask to the mute button.
I'm unmute you. Please, can you talk about yourself, please?
Ask to the mute button. Enter. Input search. Lower hand button. Ask to the more options. Reaction.
They
Right
need
left.
to
All left there.
unmute themselves actually.
Enter. Mute all.
Yes.
Mute all current. Allow participants to unmute themselves. Checkbox. Not check. Space. Check. Yes button. No button. Yes button. Enter.
Close
Galaxy
everyone.
S21. Galaxy.
Yes.
Alert. Audio now muted.
Yeah, can you unmute?
Camel. Computer audio. Lower hand button. Input search keyword. Find participants button.
Kanwal, can you unmute yourself, please? You raise your hand.
Already,
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Hold on, no,
we can hear you. Yes, sir. Your question, please. Yes.
Sorry. Hello.
Alert, you are muted. Press Alt plus A to unmute your microphone or press
Yes.
Alt plus space key to temporarily unmute.
Sorry. This one. Why don't you show this one virtual ribbon menu?
Alert, 501921 has joined the meeting.
Okay.
Tell me what's the between virtual ribbon and this one upper ribbon.
Okay. So,
Participants button drop down. Input search keyword. Find camel. Lower hand. Ask to unmute button. Enter.
so virtual ribbon and lower ribbon is question.
A2.
Lower hand. Ask to unmute button. Enter. Lower hand. Input search keyword. Find camel. Computer audio muted. Shivaji. Left parent code. Camel. Galaxy M21. Lower hand button. Galaxy 5019. Mute button. 5019.
Yeah, sir, he's asking the question is, what is the difference between virtual ribbon menu and lower ribbon?
Audio set. Unmute. Currently muted. Alt plus A button. Space. Mute my audio.
Yeah. Rangaswamy, am I audible?
Yes, sir, I'm audible to you. Yes.
So
I
what
can
is
hear
the difference between virtual ribbon and the ribbon which is menu ribbon
Yes.
which is available by default, right?
you. Yeah.
So
Three
the
participants
difference
raised
is
hand.
the
Microsoft
virtual
Shivaji.
ribbon is
Camel.
specifically
Lower hand.
available
Ask to unmute.
with cross
Enter.
screen
Lower
mode.
hand.
When you install
Galaxy
JAWS,
Lower hand
Alert,
button.
Camel has left the meeting.
Input search keyword.
previously what was
Alert,
happening
Galaxy
is,
J7 Prime has left the meeting.
the virtual ribbon, the ribbon menus were
Input search keyword.
introduced, I think,
Lower hand button. Ask to
from
unmute button.
Office 2007 or 10.
Ask to unmute. Enter.
Exactly.
Lower
Maybe
hand. Ask
7
to
or
unmute
10.
button. Enter.
Oh.
Lower hand.
That time we were finding some difficulty in finding those options, because what was happening is previously, before virtual the ribbons were introduced in Office, what was having, we were just having
Mute
menus. It means
Search
the
there is
options
lower
are,
hand button. Mute button. Lower hand
the
button.
groups will be
Galaxy
available as
J7 Prime has joined the meeting.
submenus.
Lower hand button.
Each group has submenus.
Input search keyword. There is iPhone. Lower hand
So,
button. Mute button. Lower
If we
hand.
see now, I have told there are groups and we can navigate between groups. So the group was a submenu in the menu bar. It means when we go to edit menu, there will be a submenu for some options.
Alert, Camel has joined the meeting.
Lower hand button.
Alert,
Input
Galaxy
search
M21
Maybe
has lower hand.
copy paste cut. These were not having any submenus.
21. Mute button.
We see
I
other
don't
things.
Mute
There
button.
were
Mute audio. Mute.
submenus for that action.
There is iPhone. Lower hand button. Mute button. Lower hand.
And
There is
it was very easy to find out because there were less submenus. So we need to go. We were used to go to that submenu, then use the option which we want. But now the ribbon menus, what happens is the options which are available in that menu will be visible. All the options will be visible at a time. All the options are visible in the group.
There is
at a
iPhone.
time.
J7 Prime has left the
There is
meeting.
Yeah.
iPhone. Computer audio unmuted.
We
There is
find
J7 Prime has joined the
we
meeting.
need
iPhone.
to use like tab many times to reach that option. But when we use virtual ribbons here, again the options are available in groups, right? I think
There is iPhone.
I don't use it actually, but it is the thing. If you go to home group, the home tab, then the options will be grouped and it will
There
say
is
again
iPhone.
submenu, right? Am I right, Rangaswamy?
Yes, sir, you're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
When you
Yes,
go to
yes.
home tab after
Correct. Correct.
enabling virtual ribbon options.
So submenu we'll do it later in the session also. Maybe later we have one more session also, another 2-3 weeks.
Alert,
Definitely
Prime
we'll
has left the
have
meeting.
to do
So
it.
that
Naresh,
will be the
Raise-
Yeah.
difference actually. This is the difference mainly.
Yes.
The menus will have submenus again.
Correct. Correct.
So it will be
Yes.
helpful to
True.
people like us.
True. Yes. So Naresh has raised his hand. Naresh, yes, would you like to talk
Yeah.
about something, please? You have some
Yeah,
question. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah,
we can hear you, sir.
We are
Yes.
able to hear you.
Yeah. Actually, in my office, I am using a narrator. Actually, I don't have provision to install JAWS, or there are some compliance issues in our organization. So I am using Windows narrator actually, and my OS is Windows 10.
Galaxy J7 Prime has left the meeting.
And
Okay.
when I am using Excel sheet, like when I go to each cell, it is very hard actually. It is not recognizing the cell, the text which is in the cell actually.
It is
Alert,
not
Anita has left the meeting.
recognizing text.
Yeah,
Oh.
not reading the text in the Excel
Cell.
sheet actually.
Yeah. Okay. Where do you work actually?
Alert, Galaxy
Yeah,
J7
I
Prime
work
joined the
in
meeting.
a software organization actually.
Okay.
Okay.
So I think okay, all right. Maybe you can request them to install NVIDIA. Actually, I have not tried with Narrator because Narrator nowadays they are updating actually. So
Yes.
so it's we are able to use it in all the applications. So previously, what was happening is we were able to use Narrator in only default applications, but now they are updating. But we are able to use it through to some extent, but I have not used it. Maybe Naresh, I'll do one thing. I'll use it and I'll let you know because I have also not experienced such a problem anytime as I have not used Narrator. So I'll use it
Yeah.
once and I'll let you know. Maybe you can come in contact with Rangaswamy and he'll let you know what you can do. If any
Sure.
solution is available, we'll let you know
Sure.
about that. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
So on the last, so please be with until the session. We'll also give you our detail also. So please, you can mail me or you can WhatsApp me also your concern. So we'll speak about it. Don't worry. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Meet. Can you just unmute yourself? You had some question. Yes. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Hello, I have
Yes,
some
sir.
suggestion. May I share?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Yeah, whenever sir speaks, NVIDIA and JAWS too much speaking, it is very disturbing. I request you to kindly mute where sir was speaking. So it's my suggestion.
Thank you. Thank you for your nice suggestion. Good.
Mute my audio. Alt, mute. None.
So anybody? Yes.
Title,
Any
music control.
questions, concern? Please, you can raise your hand. We'll unmute you. I think. Yeah. No.
Mute my audio.
Yeah, I think everybody are clear.
I think yes. Everyone has clear. So yes, sir.
Okay, now
You can
let's see.
continue with next one.
So
Yes.
now let's know about some options here. Today we'll use some basic options where many people has doubt. The first one is column size, column or row width or height. How would we know the text we typed in is fitting the column or row? In fact, there is no such option where we can understand. But maybe sometime in NVDA, when we use NVDA, it will read overflowing, something like that. When we reach that column, sorry,
Alert,
cell,
Galaxy J7 Prime has left the meeting.
here the text is
Alert, Galaxy
overflowing.
J7 Prime has joined the meeting.
That the NVDA will read the text, then it will say overflowing. So we can understand maybe such sort of things. But in fact, there is no specifically method to understand that. Actually, we should like imagine ourselves of how much space the text which we enter will take, and we need to do it, or else we can also select the whole data and then we can use autofit also. But what autofit will do is
Alert, Galaxy J7 Prime has left the
uh,
meeting.
adjust all the
Alert,
cells
Galaxy J7 Prime has joined the
according to
meeting.
data which is available, the rows and columns, and maybe it is also good. No, it's not that bad. It will arrange in a good way only. Not it will not look like very uh, like unprofessional or very random way. It will adjust the columns in a way it looks good only. So we can use that actually. In case you
Alert,
are
Cat
able
Sync has
to
joined the
use
meeting.
specifically by giving size, you can also do that. But what I do is I use only mostly auto fit only. So this is the thing I do.
Mute my audio.
Now let's see how to do that. Okay.
Book 1 dash Excel. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Please wait. Please wait. Book 1. Book 1. 12. A1.
So now I have two characters in each cell. So I'm going to select this.
Select.
Then
Analysis lens toolbar.
If
Escape.
this
Escape.
cells are having very large amount of space empty,
12.
it
A1.
looks like we have only two digits, right? Two characters only. So maybe I'll be able to change the size by using AutoFit. First, let's see what is the size.
A1. Meeting controls. Alt unmute my audio left parent alt plus A right parent. Book 1 dash accept. Meeting controls. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Unmute. Currently muted. Book 1 dash Excel. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Please wait. Please wait. Alert. Meeting control. Alt mute my audio left. Book 1 dash Excel.
Okay.
Book 1. Oh. Menu. Row height. Auto fit row height. Alt. Row height. Dot dot dot. Alt.
So here we have the
Auto-fit row.
options regarding row and
Column
column
width.
width
Auto fit
and
column
height.
width. Alt. Column. Auto fit. Row height. Dot dot dot. Alt.
So
Followed by
let's
8.
see
Oh,
what
8.
is the row height now.
Enter. Leaving menus. Row height colon. Row height colon edit. 15. Type and text. Alt plus.
15. So this is 15 now, and
Escape.
if I
Escape.
check the column width,
Alt H. Alt O. Menu. Leave. Column width. Auto fit column width. Alt followed by 8. Column width. Dot enter. Leaving menus. Column width. Column width colon edit. 8.43. Type and text.
8.43. This is the default thing
Escape.
which is
Book 1.
available with all the cells now. Okay. Now I'll select
Blank. 12. A.
what I have entered.
Select A1. 12. C1. 33.
Okay. Now
Alt H. Alt O. Upper ribbon. Home tab. To switch pages. Auto fit row height. Alt followed
I'll
by 8.
select
O.
this option.
Enter. Leaving menus. Upper ribbon. Home tab. To switch pages. Press Alt H. O. Lower ribbon. Cells group box. Menu group. To move through the controls on it. Auto fit row height. Alt follow. Column width. Auto fit column width. Enter. Leaving menus.
So I have
Upper ribbon. Home.
applied
Leaving menu bar.
AutoFit column width and row height. Now let's see whether it have changed or no.
Alt H. O. Alert. Molinis Applicas. Formatting tab. To switch pages. Escape. 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 Alt A. Alt O. Upper ribbon. Home tab. To switch pages. Press Control plus. Auto fit row. Row height. Dot dot dot. Alt enter. Leaving menus. Row height colon edit. Row height colon edit. 15. Type and text. Alt plus R. Escape. Book 1. Alt H. O. Menu. Auto fit row height. To move. Column width. Auto fit column width. Alt followed by 8. Column width. Dot dot dot. Enter. Leaving menus. Upper ribbon. Home tab. To switch pages. Press column width colon edit. 2.29. Type and text.
See, now the column width has changed. It was 8 points something. It was there. Now it's 2.29 something, around 3. So the width have adjusted to the data which is available there. So this way we can
Escape. Escape.
use this row height and column width. This is the first option which I want to tell you. Okay. If you want to use by typing the size there, that also you can do if you are well aware of how many characters you are using. So if I have 2 characters, so it's taking around 3 will be the column width. Maybe I have 10 characters, so we can take up to 15 of column width, 14, 15, like that. Probably it will be enough actually. 12 to 15 between will be enough for 10 characters. So this way we can use the width and height. Now
Meeting controls. Mute Alt unmute my audio left parent Alt plus A right parent. Or you can simply press and hold the space bar to temporarily unmute button to activate. Press space bar. Alt mute my audio left.
okay, so I think everybody understood this thing regarding column width and height. And next thing what we'll do is formulas. We use the formulas to do calculations in Excel, right? Now I'm not going to teach
Naresh
you
has
formulas.
raised that. So Naresh has raised that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Naresh, can you unmute yourself? I think 3 people are raised their hand. Modi also raised that.
Yeah,
Kapoor also raised
actually,
that.
Alert.
Hello?
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
Tell me, please.
yeah, no, I don't have any questions. I think it is a previous I have raised it, right? The same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry,
All right.
sorry for the confusion.
It's
Yeah,
okay.
no problem. Anybody else?
Anshul
Sir, this
Kapoor,
is
raise the hand.
Anshul Kapoor.
Yeah, please tell me.
Unmute yourself. Yes.
Yeah, you have
Alert. Paul
unmuted.
Tofu Paul Coffee Number 1 Paul you can be left.
Yes. Anshul, can you speak about it, please? Can you
Sir,
unmute? Yes. Yeah.
yeah, I have unmuted. Sir, please tell where we are going to find the autofit option, in which menu, and how we are going to reach there.
Okay, all right.
You need access key.
Okay,
Yes.
the access key I can tell you because I use that only. We use Alt H O. That is the access key to reach there. There we have options regarding column size and row size. Then we have options regarding sheet also, moving, renaming sheet, all those things.
Correct.
So we have that. You can use Alt H O. Then you can select the option which you want.
And
Another question.
Yeah.
Suppose we are writing some data in A1, then subsequently we move to B1, C1, D1. When we reach F1,
Okay.
we need the F1 to be bit longer and broader to
Okay.
fit the data. The data there is more.
Okay.
So we adjust accordingly. Alt
Okay.
H and O we do,
Okay.
and we adjust accordingly.
Okay.
When we again go to B1, will the visuals affect B1 also, or will the B1
No.
F
See, when you want to specifically apply to a column,
yeah,
you need to select that column only. You need to select column F.
yeah,
Then you need to change the size, which will affect the whole column F, F1, F2, F3, F4. The whole column you can change. If you go to B1, it should not affect B1 again. B1 will have the size by default, which it has 8.3 or something. So it will have that only.
No, I'm only talking about the cell. If we want to,
No. It cell will not change actually.
the whole column will change accordingly.
It's up to you whether you want to change the whole column or the whole sheet or single cell. Whatever you select, you select will be changed there.
The option will come there only.
The change will occur only there. I have selected by Control A, so each column or cell will change. If I select only one column or one cell and change it, then that specific thing only will be changed with that option.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right. Anybody else? Anybody else? No, I think. All right.
Excel to move to
Now, let's see about the formulas thing. Okay, I'm not going to teach you formulas, but I'll tell you how to learn the formulas, which are, if you don't know about that formula, how to get help of regarding that formula. Because we don't know many formulas, what to use, how to use, where to use which symbol. We may get, if you know also, sometimes we get doubt regarding that formula. If you know how to use that formula, still we may get doubt there. So in such cases, how we can get help from the, excuse me for a minute.
Title is Book 1 Excel. Mute current Alta. Unmute my audio. Alert, you are muted. Press Alt plus A to unmute your microphone or press and hold the space key to tap.
Enter audio. Microphone. Cell workshop. Left microphone. Mute button. Mic.
Mute my audio left parent Alt plus A right parent. Or you can simply press and hold Alt to mute my audio.
Microsoft. Mute button.
Okay. So first we need to go to formulas tab.
Book 1. Escape. Escape. Upper ribbon. Home tab. Insert tab. The switch. Page layout tab. The switch pages. Press. Formulas tab. The switch pages. Press Control plus tab. Alt.
So this is the formulas tab. Now I'll press tab here.
Lower ribbon function library group box. Insert function dot 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 button to move through the control.
Insert function. This is the option we are going to use.
Space. Leaving menu bar. Book 1 dash Excel. Formula bar edit equals type in text. Insert function dialog. Search for a function colon edit type in text.
Search for a function. So I can type the name of the function which I want to search, or else
Go button.
press
To
tab.
activate. Or select a category colon combo box. Most recently used to change this. Text 9 of 15.
Here you can use down arrow.
Database 8 of 15. Text 9 of. Logical 10 of 15. Information 11. Text 9 of 15.
Text. So I want to use some formula regarding text.
Text 9 of 15. Dot text left parent number right parent. Char 2 of 20. Clean 3 of 27. Code 4 of 20. Concatenate $5.
So
Concatenate.
concatenate. I don't know whether you people know about this thing or not. This will maybe sometimes what happens is there will be. Okay, let's see. The first name and last name is typed in same cell. I want to change that to two cells. The first name will be in one cell and last name should be in one cell. This way I want to use that. So in this case, I can use this formula. What I remember. Okay. See, well, let's see whether how to use that.
Help on this function link.
Help on this function.
Okay button. Help on this.
Okay, you can press enter here, which will open help page from the internet, where you can check examples and check the syntax of the formula to understand that. Or else
Select a function colon list box.
I can press
Concatenate
enter
to move to
here
an item. Press enter.
on the formula
Function
name.
arguments. Function arguments dialog. Help on this function. Concatenate text 1 edit. Type in text. Concatenate text 2 edit. Type in text.
So text 1 and text 2. It's asking.
Concatenate text 3 edit. Type in text. Cancel button. To
So
activate
this
press
way I can type my arguments here.
escape. Book 1. Selected range A1 12. C.
So and I can press enter to apply that formula.
Alt F.
Let's see.
Backspace.
I have
This escape.
typed numbers here.
12
So
A1.
what
Book
I
1.
do is I
22
use
B.
sum.
33 C1 blank D1.
If I want to use auto sum, there's a shortcut where we can use alt equals and press enter. But I don't want to do that. I want to go to formulas tab and
Upper
I
ribbon.
want to select from there. Okay, now I'm using sum. But in case if you want to use some other formulas, maybe this will be
Lower ribbon.
helpful.
Function library group box. Insert function dot 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 button space.
Insert
Leaving menu bar.
function.
Book 1 dash Excel. Formula bar edit equals type. Go button to activate. Press space bar. Alt G.
So
Or select a category colon com. Alert. Galaxy J7. Logical 10 of 15. Information 11 of 15. Cell.
information.
Engineering. Cube 13 of 15. Compatibility 14. Web 15.
Where
Home.
is our
Most
formula?
recently used 1. All 2 of 15. Financial 3 of 15. Daytime 4 of. Math grid 5 of 15. Apps. Math grid 5 of 15. ACOS 2 of. Apps 1 of 74. Apps. SEC 55. Setch 56. Seriesum 57. Home. Apps. ACOS 2 of 7. Akash. Akat. Akak. Akra. Arabic. Alert. Galaxy J7. Asin 8 of. Asin 9 of.
No.
Atan 10 of 7.
So I'm not
select
able to find. I don't know the group. I'm not able to find the formula.
Daytime 4 of 15. Math grid. Daytime 4 of. Financial 3 of 15.
Find
All 2 of 15. Apps
all.
left parent. All 2 of 15.
Go to
Apps
all.
left parent number right parent returns. Select a function colon list box apps 1 of 4 A. U. Acronym 3 of. Acronym 2 of 4. Apps 1 of 4 A. Acronym 2 of A. Acronym 3 A. A. Akash 5 of 4. Akash 6. Address 8 of 4. Aggregate 9 of 4. Amerdeg 10.
So
No more link.
there are many formulas here. So what I do is now I'll use search.
Help on this function link.
Okay.
OK button to activate.
And
Cancel
I'll
button.
press go.
Type in text.
so
Alt S.
that-
Search for a function colon edit. Type in text. Alt S. S. U. M.
Okay. Now I'll
Sum.
press go.
Go button. Space.
So that
To
formula
activate, press
will
space
be
To move to an
available
item, press the
in
arrow
the
keys. Alt N. Select a function colon list box sum 1 of 28. To move to an item.
Now sum is available.
Minus 2 of sum 1 of 28. Enter.
Press enter.
Book 1 dash Excel. Formula bar edit equals sum left parent A1 colon C1 right parent. Type in text. Function. Number 1 edit A1 colon C1. Type in text.
So I have selected the cells and I have clicked on sum now, and the
Alert. Himanshu.
argument is already typed here. So I'll press enter.
Enter. 67 has formula D1. Book 1.
So now you see it's
Alert. Galaxy
67.
J7 Prime has left the meeting.
So this way we can use sum. Sorry, not sum. Formula help. We can click on help to know more about that formula from Microsoft website, and you can check the examples there, and also you can copy and paste that examples in Excel where the data will be executed directly. Just you can copy and paste. There will be a table, example table. That table you can copy and paste. That table will automatically convert to Excel data. It will automatically take the formula and do everything. And you can check there also. Those examples you can check in the Excel also by copying from that web page. So this will be helpful to learn some formulas which are available. Okay, not everything. We don't require everything because there are so many formulas here. So we don't require all the formulas, or we have no need of learning all formulas. Only we learn some which are important to us. So this way you can use the formula help thing. Now, next thing is
Escape. Sheet 1.
adding sheets and moving sheets, deleting sheets, or renaming the sheets. We'll see this. I have told you there is only one sheet available in latest Office things. Previously we were having
Sheet 1. 6. Meeting control. Mute. Currently unmuted. Alt plus A.
3 sheets by default, but now it's
Book 1 dash
only
Excel.
one.
To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Please wait. Book 1. Book 1. Book 1 dash Excel. Home 12. A1.
Hello, sir.
Cell mode ready. Normal page layout. Page break
Hello.
preview. Zoom out. Zoom and zoom 100%. 12. 22.
Hello,
33.
sir.
67. 33.
So if I use control page up, page down, I don't.
All the participants.
Yeah, someone
This
is
will be
speaking.
there.
1 second, sir. Yeah, someone is middle. Yes.
Participants left.
Alert. Galaxy J7.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We can hear you. Please.
Can you slow George voice? George speak.
Oh, all right. I'm sorry.
Participants left.
Okay.
More options.
Slower.
All that.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
All the audio now unmuted.
So now only one sheet is available here. So I'm going to add a new sheet. To add new sheet, I'm going to use shortcut key.
Shift F11. Sheet 2. Blank. A1.
All right. So if you hold shift key and press F11, the new sheet will be added. But what happened here is the sheet 1 is after sheet 2. It means the first sheet available here is sheet 2. Then we have sheet 1. When we add a new sheet, the sheet will be added above the sheet which we are focused in. My focus was in sheet 1, and now when I added the sheet, it's added above the sheet 1. So it's now the order is 2 1, not 1 and 2. So what I need to do is I should move this sheet and arrange it properly. So what should I do? Or I want to rename the sheet, maybe I don't want to move. Or in case if you had like if you added this sheet by mistake, if you want to delete the sheet, one thing we can use the menu bar, like it's available in home tab where I have told you Alt H O, right? There only it is available, or else we can, when you are using JAWS, you can use Insert Shift S.
Context menu. Insert ... To move through items, press up or down arrow.
Okay, here let's see what are the options available.
Delete D.
Delete.
Rename R.
Rename.
Move or copy ... M.
More copy.
View code V.
View code.
Protect sheet ...
Protect sheet.
Tab color T. Hide 8. Unhide ...
Okay, we can hide and unhide sheets also from here.
Select all sheets S.
Select all sheets.
Insert ... I.
Okay, again we are to first option. Now
delete D. Rename R. Move or copy ... M.
Move or copy. Here.
Enter. Leaving menus. Blank. To switch pages, press Control plus Tab. Move or copy dialog. Move selected sheets before sheet : list box. Sheet 2, 1 of 3. Command left parent move to end.
So here, what it asks is move before sheet. So you want to keep move this sheet after which sheet we want to keep it, we need to select that number.
Sheet 1. Sheet 2. 1.
So
Sheet 1. 2 of 3. Sheet 2. 1.
see, if I want to keep it after sheet 1,
Sheet 1. 2 of 3.
so here I'll select.
Enter.
Let's see what happens.
Book 1. Dash Excel. Sheet 2. Sheet 1. 12. A1. Sheet 2. Blank. A1.
What happens? It will be in the same place, because the question is where the option available is after. It means you want to place the
Alert.
sheet
Honor 9
before
has left
which
the meeting.
sheet.
Alert. Galaxy
You want to
J7.
move the sheet before which sheet. It's not after, it's before. Means the sheet we select will be next sheet after the moving sheet. It means if we are moving sheet 2 now, if I select 3, then the sheet 2 will be between 1 and 3.
Alert. Galaxy J7.
If I select 4, the sheet 2 which we are moving now will be between 4 and 3. So if we want to move to end, there is the option available, move to end. We need to select that only. Then only we can move that sheet to end. So we have only 2 sheets here. So I need to select only move to end, because after 1 it should be ordered, right? The order should be after 1. So there is no sheet after like before move to end option. There is only 1, 2. 2 is already we are moving. 1 is only one sheet which is available. So what I'll do is
Context menu.
select,
Delete. Move or copy. View. Move. Enter. Leaving menus. Blank. To switch page. End. Left parent. Move to end. Right parent.
now
Enter.
I'll press enter. So this
Book 1. Dash. Sheet 1. 12. A1. Sheet 2. Blank. A1.
now
Sheet 1. 12.
sheet 1,
A1.
I'm using control page up. If I use control page down, then it will be
Sheet 2. Blank. A1.
2. So this way we can move the sheets and arrange in a proper order. Now if I want to rename this,
Context menu. Insert alert. Galaxy. Delete. D. Rename. R. Enter.
Rename.
Leaving menus. Edit. Num lock on. Num lock off. N E W new S H E E T sheet enter. Blank A1. Sheet 1. 12. A1. New sheet. Blank A1.
this is new sheet.
New sheet. Blank A1. New sheet. Blank A1.
Okay, now I have named it as new sheet. So this way we can rename it, or also we can delete the sheet.
Context
See, press insert shift plus S if you are using JAWS, or now
delete D.
press on delete.
Enter. Leaving menus. Blank. To switch pages, press Control plus Tab. Microsoft Excel dialog. Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? Delete button to activate.
So Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. It means if you have any data in this sheet, that also will be deleted. You cannot undo. It means it is this action will be for permanent. You cannot
Cancel
recover
button
the data if you have mistakenly deleted the sheet. Okay, so be careful while using this option.
Delete button to activate. Press space bar. Enter. Sheet 1. 12. A1. Book 1. Dash Excel. Sheet 1. Undo.
See, if I press undo.
Undo. Undo. Undo. Undo.
So this is the thing to use options regarding the sheet. Inserting the sheet, moving the sheets, then renaming and
alert. Honor 9 has joined the meeting.
So I think for today this will be enough. And
alert. Galaxy J7 Prime has joined
the
meeting.
Use session, remaining session for doubts or any help you want from us, or any like any query, we'll answer that actually. Okay, that's up to Rangaswamy.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You can continue.
Thank you so much. Yes, you have any feedback regarding this session, so please you can write to us mail. So my
Title.
mail ID I'm just pasting here in the
Control.
chat box.
Alta.
So please.
Alt H collapse. Shivaji left escape. Alt H chat input more chat up input chat text. Paste it from clip enter from me to everyone colon Remy Academy.
Okay, I'm just
Yeah,
pasted
Academy
here my mail ID
gmail.com.
Renuka Academy for the
Alert. You are
disabled
muted. Press
at
Alt plus A to
gmail.com.
unmute your microphone or press and
So
hold the space key to temporarily
yes,
unmute.
if anyone needs to dictate, I'm going to dictate 1 second. My mail ID R for rabbit, R
Alta.
R
Unmute.
E N U K A Renuka A C A D E M Y for 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 THE the DISABLED at gmail.com. And you can also WhatsApp me my number if you have any feedback, any concern about this training,
Press
and
Alt plus A to unmute your
so
microphone or press and
how
hold the space
will
key to
it help
temporarily
you,
unmute.
or how it's going to affect you, what is the impact about this training. So
Unmute my audio left parent Alt plus A
anything we
right
can
parent.
improve.
Or you can
So
simply press
please
audio unmute currently
you
muted.
can
Alt plus A button to activate. Press space bar. Unmute currently muted.
send us WhatsApp.
Thank you very much.
My number, 1 second. Can you just unmute yourself? Mute yourself.
Participants left parent. Angel Cat will follow go follow in.
So my number is 9686731373. I repeat again, 9686731373. It is my WhatsApp number. So please you can able to reply this number, same number which is in WhatsApp, and your name and what is your feedback about this training. You can also send me a voice note regarding the same number via WhatsApp, or you can also write to me mail. Yeah, I paste it in chat box, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, I'm gonna type this.
Input chat text type message 96867313773 enter.
Okay. All right, sir. I pasted my number here, so you can follow me in this same number via WhatsApp. Okay. So another thing, I'm just before I conclude, I'm going to say about column width. So I will also tell you one more shortcut key. I guess I think sir also know about this key. I guess I think this keystroke will be 2003 keystroke, but this will be work on 2007 Office, 2010, 2013, and 2016 and 19 also. 19 also. This key is Alt O C W, column width. So you can able to see this Alt O C W. So this is the keystroke. So this is what I just said, this keystroke, people. Yes, and I'd like to announce one. Yes, sir.
Thanks, Swami.
Yes,
so the thing I would like to add small
please,
thing
yes.
to what you said.
Yes.
It's we can use, if you know
Alert, Campbell left the meeting.
2003
Yeah.
Office 2003 that
Yes,
also we
yes.
can use here actually.
Yes,
All
yes,
the
yes.
access keys are available.
All the access key also available. Yes. Just
usable here. It's
correct,
not
correct. Yes.
to use only access keys regarding
Access keys. Yes.
new Office. We can use 2003 access keys also here. That's true actually.
Can use bar B, control B.
Small thing I would like to tell about my this thing also. See, friends, the thing is, I have my own YouTube channel. If you like my explanation, or if you like to just go around and see what content is available there, you can head out there, and it's enabling accessibility. You can search for that. So I'm trying to do that. If you people support me, maybe I'll be able to provide you with good content, and it will be helpful to everybody. So just if you have time, just head out to my channel and
alert. Notice to everyone. Sir, I have issue with access shortcut key. I could not able to access Office through shortcut key.
If you
How to
want
solve?
any topic to be tutorial, if you want any tutorial regarding any topic, you can ask me in the comment section there, and we'll be able to do that. Okay.
And one thing, sir, achievement is he done how to operate on ATM machine by using, he did the demo also in enabling accessibility. Please, you can go on that. Please, you can visit that, and you will get a lot of information how to withdraw the money and what are the features available through ATM. He done the demo also. Please, you can visit that, right, sir? I think.
All right. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Sir.
Yes. So please, you
And,
can visit it.
Thank you very much to everybody for providing me this opportunity. I also thank you, Rangaswamy, sir.
No, it's okay. I should tell you thank you, sir.
I hope it was helpful session only. And if there is anything which is like anything which is not convenient to you, I request to forgive me. And thank you, everybody. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't forget to give your suggestions or feedback on this session. If you have, if we get the feedback, we'll be able to plan for more sessions also. Okay, depending on your feedback only, we will be able to improve ourselves, because maybe like elders or youngers, it's not the matter what we cannot say I am the perfect person, right? We need to take the feedback from everybody, and then only we'll be able to improve ourselves if there is any deficiency of in our this thing. Okay.
Alert. His iPhone has left the meeting.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Okay. So I'm going to post it on next event, people. So we'll be back it on April 4th. It's a nice event. So we are conducting as a personality development training April 4th on Sunday, 10 a.m. at 10 a.m. in the morning, 10 o'clock. So we will be able to posting this.
To everyone, how can I get your link?
Okay, I will send him in WhatsApp also. Please, you can register my number. So 9686731373, which I told you.
So, mute your microphone or press and hold the space
you can WhatsApp me. I'm going to save your number. Thank you. Yes. So next week I'm going to organize another event. So I'll inform you very shortly, people. So if you would like to join, you can join me on the next week event. So either Sunday or Saturday. Maybe I'm conducting either 27th in the Saturday or 28th of Sunday. So I'll be going to post you before Tuesday or Wednesday, people. So yes, other thing is, April 4th, as I told you, please, you can able to join that training.
Panel 17 participants.
Okay, thank you, people. Hope to see you soon. Happy weekend. Happy Sunday. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night. Good night, everyone.
Kapur has left the meeting.
Good night.